They say the journey is more important than the destination, and Hyundai's journey has been nothing short of interesting. But what's the most fascinating is the pace of this journey. Here at Hyundai, our truest asset are our people, and we are lucky to be working with the best minds in the country. So here we are, standing in our Hyundai corporate headquarters in Gurugram. Now we have a much bigger space to create, collaborate and upscale. Welcome to the all-new Hyundai. Can you feel the dynamism? That's how vibrant we are. But why take our word for it? Let's just ask our people about the new Hyundai HQ. Hi, what time do you come in for work? I keep seeing people walk in all the time.
Well, we decide on that. We do have flexible timings.
We can decide when to clock in. Same time,
Absolutely.
The best part? We get to choose what we wear. That's a nice outfit, Mansi.
Thanks. We clock in when it's convenient. Family, friends and plans, everything is possible. Just love the flexibility.
It's called work-life balance. Who doesn't love that?
Shall we?
Hey, I'm Vedant.
Hi, I'm Priyank.
Hi, I'm Adrita.
Hi, I'm Mansi.
Hi, I am Rishabh.
Hi, I'm Manya.
So how long have you been with Hyundai? And what do you do here?
It's been 3 years and it's been the best 3 years ever. I take care of our customers.
It's just been 2 years, but I'm working towards some sustainable solutions.
4 years and counting. I'm so proud to be with a global brand like Hyundai.
5 years, and I help create smart cars for Smart India.
6 years and here to create mobility solutions that could change people's lives truly.
5 years and I am committed to making a difference to the country.
Wow, what's it been like here for you?
Rewarding, truly rewarding.
Valuable. The learning experience has been great.
It's been absolutely path-breaking.
Phenomenal. The open culture is truly defining.
Fantastic, transparent culture and so flexible.
So we learned that Hyundai completed 25 years in India just recently. That's a long time. There must be a rich legacy behind the brand. What are your views about it?
Execution is in Hyundai's DNA. We believe in raising the bar high and we push ourselves beyond the limit. And the results have been more than satisfying.
Hyundai has always been ahead of its time, whether it's new technology introduction or advanced products. That's what makes us different from other brands.
We are a customer-driven brand. We have always looked for India adaptive solutions. It has always made us stand out.
Okay, tell me, what's that one thing about Hyundai that stands out for you?
The fact that my ideas are accepted and that the fluid culture makes communication so easy.
I believe Hyundai is out to change paradigms.
The fact that Hyundai believes that as mobility evolves, so does humanity.
The fact that sustainability is at the heart of everything we do.
Speaking of which, one line on how you like the new office.
Oh, I'm loving it.
It's so beautiful. Going down the highway and looking at the amazing new campus fills me with a sense of pride.
Delight is the word.
I think it's great. Come, I'll show you my new workstation. It's amazing.
Okay, last one. Fill in the blank. Really quick, okay? You should join Hyundai
If you want to do great things for the country.
If you want to redefine the automotive landscape.
If you believe that you are working towards the future of mobility.
If you believe in the progress of humanity.
If and only if you want to work with the best.